Hello and welcome to my Glam Game. I'm so glad you are here because today we are diving into the something truly exciting. 100 gorgeous layered haircut for long hair, designed for all the beautiful women who want to refresh their styles. In this video, you will see a stunning array of hairstyles that are not only stylish but also easy to maintain. If you are ready for a bold transformation, you are just looking for some fresh inspiration, this is the place to be. Stay tuned until the very end to catch all the latest trendy layered hairstyle and even some eye-catching hair color ideas. We are covering everything from trendy layered hairstyles that flatter every face shape, whether round, oval, square, yeah, anything in between. I've got you covered with options that will enhance your natural beauty and suit your unique features. I know life gets busy and finding the perfect haircut can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. In just one video, you will find stylists that match your lifestyle and personality, from chic bob to edgy pixie cut. And if you enjoy this video, please share it with your friends and family members. I'm sure they will love this video and idea just so much as you do. Your support means everything and help me create more of the content you love. Before we start, don't forget subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you are enjoying the video, go ahead and give the thumb up. Your feedback motivates me to bring even more great video your way. Throughout this video, you will see a mix of haircut and hair color ideas, from bold and vibrant shades to soft and subtle tones. They are something for everyone. I believe a fresh haircut can do wonders for your confidence and style. So let's get inspired together. I do love to hear your thought. So drop a comment below with your favorite look, whether you are into slick, professional style, yeah, playful, fun vibes. There's no shortage of option here. This video is packed with ideas for all fashion lovers looking to look fabulous even with shorter hairstyles. Short hair can be surprisingly versatile and it's perfect for anyone with a busy schedule. Thank you for watching and let's find a perfect look. And continue enjoying this video and check more stylish pics in this video to find a perfect hairstyle for your face. Thank you very much and enjoy.